Episode 4 of the Sam Jones Show. Today we're out here at USC about to walk the horseshoe and recap 2017. 2017 has been a pretty exciting year, man. Made a lot of big things happen this year. I flipped my first home. I also have a few rental properties now up and going. Did somewhere in the ballpark of about 4 million, close to 4 million in sales this year. And in addition to that, I ranked in the top 10 in my company for total gross commission. Overall, 2017 has been a pretty solid year for me, man. This upcoming year, I kind of want to focus more on building a team, get a handful of really good agents, and kind of explain to them or teach them to do exactly what I'm doing as far as picking up rental properties in order to cash flow them, as well as being able to flip properties on their own. I'm really looking to ramp up a lot of this marketing I've been doing lately. So you guys are gonna see a lot more of the videos, a lot more Facebook, Instagram, social media posts like that. If you are looking to get involved and looking for some new ideas, looking to do some new things, give me a call. Well, that's my 2017. It's been an incredible year, but I'm really expecting some much bigger things in 2018. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Happy New Year, guys.